Lesson 1. Being healthy and well. Mary and Chris have been helping to plan the 7th grade dance. They have been juggling these duties with their schoolwork and responsibilities at home. Now both girls are feeling tense and tired, and they are missing seeing their other friends. Mary and Chris have got a lot going on in their lives. The stress of their many activities is affecting their overall health. Health is the condition of physical, emotional, mental, and social well-being. To be healthy, you need to balance your physical, emotional, mental, and social health. In this lesson, you will learn ways that you can maintain each part of your health to stay healthy. Physical health. The part of health that deals with the body is physical health. The following are habits you should practice to have good physical health. Eat a balanced diet. Participate in plenty of physical activities. Get 8 hours of sleep every night. Avoid drugs, alcohol, and tobacco. Practice safety by wearing protective sports gear and by wearing seat belts whenever you are in a moving vehicle. Practice good hygiene. Hygiene is the practice of keeping clean to prevent the spread of disease. Visit your doctor and dentist regularly. Remember that today's choices will affect your physical health for years to come, and the choices you make now are going to be tomorrow's habits, so make them good habits. Emotional health. Your emotional health can affect how you feel about yourself and how you treat other people. Emotional health is the way you recognize and deal with your feelings. An emotional healthy person has the ability to express emotions in calm and healthy ways, deal with sadness and get help for depression, accept his or her strengths and weaknesses. During adolescence, you experience some major life changes. Your body is changing, and you also have more responsibilities both at home and at school. As a result, you may become more emotional than you once were. Although having emotional ups and downs isn't pleasant, this experience is a normal part of growing up. Talk to your parents if you have concerns about controlling your emotions or if you are worried about being depressed. Mental health. Being able to easily adjust to change is a sign of good mental health. Mental health is a way that you cope with the demands of daily life. Having good mental health means that you can solve problems with little trouble, deal with stress effectively, accept new ideas. Your mental health can be affected by many of the same things that affect your physical health. For example, lack of sleep hurts your mental alertness and your ability to deal with stress. Good judgment comes from more easily after a good night's sleep. Social health. Good social skills help you get along better with people. The way you interact with other people describes your social health. You can build good social skills in the following ways. Be considerate of other people. Treat others the way you would like to be treated. Show respect for other people. Share your true feelings with your friends. Be dependable. Volunteer to do things for your community. Be supportive of your friends when they make the right choice. Having friends and being close to your family gives you a sense of belonging. You know that these people care about you. And when you know that your friends and family care about you and want what's best for you, you feel even better about yourself. As a result, you want to be a better person and do things for your friends and family. Wellness. Your overall wellness is affected by each of the 4 parts of your health. Wellness is a state of good health that is achieved by balancing your physical, emotional, mental, and social health. For example, if you are physically, emotionally, and mentally healthy but have ignored the social part of your health, you can't achieve total wellness. If you are not sure of your level of wellness, take a health assessment. A health assessment is a set of questions that rate your overall health. The following are examples of questions you should ask yourself. Do I get at least 8 hours of sleep each night? Do I eat balanced meals? Is talking openly with my friends an important part of my day? Do I have trusted adult, such as a parent, who is a main source of support for me? Do I deal well with stress?